Welcome all my dear students to Sudharma's Physics classroom. We are discussing the chapter Reflection of Light from class 10. So in the previous videos, we have already discussed what is reflection, how do you represent reflection using rays of light, and we will discuss the laws of reflection and the image formed by a plane mirror. So in today's video, we will be discussing the multiple reflection of light. So if you are not seen the previous videos, I will be posting the link of those videos in the description box. This is a continuation class of the previous videos. Okay, so let's move on to today's topic. It's multiple reflection of light. We know that bouncing back of light when light hits an obstacle is called as reflection of light, right? What if there are multiple mirrors kept at different angles, or what if there are different objects kept at different positions and light gets reflected from all of those objects randomly, right? So if you have some plane mirrors and if they are aligned at some particular angle, how do you know how many number of images are formed because of this multiple reflection? For example, if I have two angles aligned at an angle of theta, say I have two plane mirrors aligned, it's kept at an angle of theta. I'm generalizing the topic now, then we will move on to different categories, right? So if the angle between the plane mirrors is theta, then the number of images formed, n is equal to 360 divided by theta minus 1. This is the formula we have to use to calculate the number of images formed due to multiple reflection of light. So learn the formula. It is 360 divided by theta minus 1. So n means the number of images formed. Theta is the angle between the plane mirrors. So now let's start solving these questions. The first one is when theta is equal to 45 degrees. So n is equal to 360 divided by 45 minus 1. That is equal to 360 by 45 is 8. 8 minus 1, that means we will be getting 7 images. It's going to be really beautiful, right? Many images formed. It looks so beautiful, especially if the object is really colorful. The next question is theta is equal to 60 degrees. So n will be equal to 360 divided by 60 minus 1. 360 by 60 is 6. So 6 minus 1, we are going to get 5 images. This is how we have to solve these types of questions. So third one, n is equal to 360 divided by 90 minus 1. That's going to be 360 by 90 is 4. 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Here we are going to get 3 images. Fourth one, n is equal to 360 divided by 120 minus 1. That's nothing but 360 by 120 is 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So when two mirrors are aligned at 120 degree with each other, we will be getting 2 images. The question can be asked in a reverse way also. If the number of images formed is 2, what is the angle between the mirrors? So in that question also, you can use the same formula and find it out. Okay. So the last one is very easy. 360 by 180, that is 2. 2 minus 1, it's going to be 1. That means when two mirrors are aligned at 180 degree, 180 degree means it's going to be a straight line, right? If it is straight line, we are going to get only one image, right? This looks like a plane mirror, but maybe of a longer one, right? If they are kept at 180 degree with each other. What if they are parallel to each other? If I'm keeping two mirrors parallel to each other, what would be the number of images formed in this case? I have an object here, right? So the angle between the mirrors is theta is equal to 0. So we'll be getting n is equal to 360 divided by theta minus 1. That's equal to 360 divided by 0 minus 1. That is going to be 360 by 0. Any number divided by 0, that's going to be infinity. So if two plane mirrors are aligned parallel to each other, we will be getting infinite number of images. Hope you understood the concept. Now let's see where do we see this and what are the applications of multiple reflection of light. So when you go to the barber shop or to the parlors, you can see the mirrors kept back to back, right? So one will be parallel to the other, facing each other. So you can see yourself n number of times, multiple images of your face or your head, it will be formed within the mirror infinitely. Large number of images will be formed if mirrors are kept parallel to each other. Here you can see two mirrors kept at some angle, you are getting three images. So we have already seen where do we get three images when they are kept at 90 degree with each other. You can see the application of this multiple reflection of light. This is a periscope. How many of you know where do we use a periscope? Periscopes are used especially in submarines where people have to check with the enemy ships, or if you have to observe something underwater, right? You can use this periscope. So two mirrors are kept at 45 degree with each other. 45 degree. That's a special case. See, here the light comes from the object. It goes, right? It goes and comes back, right? So you will be able to see the object through this mirror. Or if you are observing from here, you will be able to see the object which is kept at a higher level on this mirror. Another toy we used to make is kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope, we have three mirrors, right? It's constructed into the form of a triangle. So multiple reflection takes place from those three mirrors kept at different angles, and we get a beautiful pattern. We normally do it with broken bangles or some colored coins, right? So this is just a representation of what we see through a kaleidoscope. We will be just rotating the corner wherever we have kept the materials, the colorful materials, and when you twist it, when you rotate it, you will be seeing this kind of beautiful pattern. So this beautiful pattern, it's not an illusion, it is because of the multiple reflection of light. So in the coming classes, we will be discussing about spherical mirrors. Okay, so spherical mirrors are a most important topic in this chapter. So hope you understood the plane mirrors very well. So watch all the three classes I have kept. I will be giving you the description. I will be giving you the link in the description box below. So if you have not seen the previous videos about what is reflection, laws of reflection, what are the different types of reflection and the laws of reflection. Okay, so two videos are there. So I will be giving you the link in the description box. So if you are first time to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates on the videos. When I am uploading the new videos, only if you press the bell icon, you will be getting the notification so that you don't miss any classes. So hope you enjoyed today's session. So in the coming class, I'll be there with spherical mirrors. Thank you for watching. Bye.